Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my September issued Simply Earth monthly subscription box.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked today's video. And plus, those thumbs up really help out my channel, and it helps me to be able to bring more videos to you guys in the future. So let's just jump into today's video, and today I want to be sharing with you guys what I got in my September Simply Earth, my September's Simply Earth subscription box. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I got my first box from them last month, and I started working with them. They decided to reach out to me and wanted me to try their subscription box, and I fell in love with their subscription box and everything that came with it. So I decided to continue working with them, and so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, my September box that they sent me. If you have not seen that video already, I will put a link down below. It explains about the company. It explains about all the things that comes with the subscription box, the bonus box that you get with it, why I love it, where the money goes to, the proceeds that they do, what it goes to. It talks about the company in full detail, so definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it already. But let me give you a quick little overview of what this subscription box is. So like many subscription boxes, we got like beauty boxes, we have those food boxes. Well, Simply Earth is all about making all natural products. So when you sign up for the subscription box, you get 4 essential oils, 4 full-size essential oils, plus 6 recipe cards to make 6 all-natural recipes sent to you every month. And they basically go with the theme of the month. So last month's theme was all about the face. So the recipe cards were about, there was a homemade toner, there was a homemade face wash, there was a homemade scrub, a face scrub, which that was my favorite. So everything had to do with everything, all the essential oils that was in it, all the stuff that came with it, all the recipe cards had to do with the face. And then the month before that was all about kids. So it had like a homemade slime recipe, a homemade stress ball, and so basically they have themes, different themes every month. This theme I don't know yet because I haven't opened up the box. I want to open up with you guys, but anytime, every month there is a theme, and you will get 4 full-size essential oils that has to do with the recipe theme of that month. Then you'll get, like I said, 6 recipe cards to let you know how to make the 6 homemade recipes of whatever you're making. And then they also send you all the other ingredients that you'll need to create those. So like for the face stuff, they sent me a reusable face mask. They sent me the coconut, it was a different type of oil they had to do with, it was a different type of oil, I can't remember, it was like the lavender oil. And they sent me a big bottle of the lavender oil that accompanied the 4 essential oils that already come with that box. So not only do you get the 4 essential oils every month, you get the stuff that you get the extra ingredients that you need to go with the recipe, so you're able to complete all the recipes that they're sharing with you. Also, when you sign up with them for the first time, you get a bonus box, which I go into more detail about that in the first video, which again I will link it down below. But an overview with the bonus box, whenever you sign up with their subscription, the first box that you get, you'll get that box of that month, but you'll get a bonus box as well that comes with 2 coconut oils, one that's like, that comes in a jar, and another one that comes in a bottle. You get an almond oil, and then you get 5 roll-on bottles and 5 little essential oil bottles so that you can make your own recipes that are to come in the future. So they give you 10 bottles to start off with. They give you 2 types of coconut oils and an almond oil, which is basically the base for a lot of the recipes. So they give that to you guys for free. And that box itself is over $50 at price and everything that comes with it. It's over $50, and you guys get it for free when you sign up with them. Also, I'll be sharing with you guys in the description box below a coupon code that I have, that if you enjoyed today's video and if you want to sign up with them, when you do sign up with them and you use the code that I give you, that will, again, it will be down in the description box below, you will get a free $40 gift card if you sign up with their subscription box. Now the $40 gift card, you can't use it on the first order. Basically, you sign up for the subscription box, and then on your next, or on the order, when you get your first subscription box and your bonus box, you will get a free $40 gift card inside that to be able to use on future purchases, or you can use it on your next box. So it's basically like you're paying for a box and you're getting a box for free. So I think that's pretty cool. And even if you don't want to sign up for the subscription box, there are so many things that you can buy on their website that has to do with all natural things. So you can definitely use the link that I put down below to take you to there, and you can definitely purchase things if this monthly subscription box is not for you. But I really enjoy it. I love getting my essential oils. Like, I love getting 4 different essential oils every month and kind of building up my collection, because I do like making a lot of all natural things for my home. And so sometimes I don't know the recipes for it. So I kind of like that there's a theme every month, so that they can give us different types of recipes and different types of uses to use the essential oils that we haven't used, or maybe we do have and we just don't know how to use them. So I really like this company. I love that I'm still working with them, because like I said, I really enjoyed my first box, so I decided to continue working with them. So let's just unbox this. I'm going to share with you guys what I got in this box today, and yeah, let's see what the September issue is all about. Okay, so every month this is what the box will look like, and you'll always have a sticker of a person right here where it tells you who packed your box. I think that's pretty cool. It shows you the picture of the person who actually packed your box. So let's open this up and see what we got. So when you first open it up, you will see that they have stickers. What I love about these, when they send you stuff, what I love about this company with this little subscription box, they send you the stickers for all the recipes. So if you're making a recipe that has to go in a bottle and a jar, they send you the stickers to go with them. These little stickers right here, they normally go on the tops of the essential oil bottles, and then these go on the different types of containers depending on what it is. And I'm guessing that this month is all about soaps, because I'm seeing some soap stuff in here. I will say that these type of stickers are not the ones that you just peel off. Like I said in my last video, you have to cut around the sides and then peel off from the back. So these are not like peelable stickers here. These are just like one sheet, so you have to cut around there to make your sticker. But you get a sticker sheet to go with all the recipes that you will have. You get 6 recipe cards, and it also tells you about this month's, the back of the cards tell you about this month's box, and it also tells you about the future box as well. So this card right here is the lemongrass Kajaput, I cannot say that, Bay compress. So it's a compress to relieve pain. So that's part of one of the recipes. This one tells you about each essential oil. So you'll know about each essential oil that you get, and you see you get 4 here. This one seems really big, and then this one seems a little bit tiny. And you can tell that there's different ones. Different types of essential oils come in different types of sizes, so they go by the ones in the stores. And then this is a sugar scrub soap bar. So we're going to be making soaps. As you can see the little soap display thing, or soap rubber soap container there. This one is flowers and spice and something nice soap. So another soap recipe. A note from Katie. This is one of the owners of this company, and she talks about this is basically all about soap. So it says, how fun and easy is soap making? I love adding the Happy Joy facial. So it talks about the box, and so I'm guessing this box is all about making soaps this month. So she'll talk about the box this month, and then you also have a recipe in the back, the Happy Joy roll-on. This one, it tells you, one of the cards will always tell you what the proceeds go to. And one thing that I said in my, you'll see in the other video, is 13% of all the proceeds that they make from these boxes and the things that they sell on their online go to companies fighting against human trafficking, which I think is something really important. And so this month you're giving 13% to Exodus Cry. We fight because every free person should be free, and it tells you about basically this program, or this not this program, but it tells you about this organization that helps stop human trafficking. So every month there's 30%, everything, the proceeds, 30% of the proceeds they make always go to stop human trafficking, and it always goes to an organization that helps stop it. And then they tell you about it, which I think is amazing. They also have a recipe for a Happy Joy facial soap. So yep, it's all about soaps. And then we also have flower and spice diffuser blend. So you also get a diffuser blend in here. And so I'm seeing that everything is about soaps, a roll-on, and a diffuser blend. And then you get a sneak peek of what is to come next month. So next month for October is all about fall candles, and I love the fall, so I can't wait to get this next box as well. So as you can see here, you'll always get, like I said, your 4 essential oils that have to do with what you need for the recipes that you're going to be creating. And then you get all the extra ingredients and materials that you need to create those. So it's all about making soaps. And if you ever made soaps before, you know you need that glycerin soap base. And then you need kind of like a rubber mold to make your different soaps, which I have different types of ones that I make for the holidays. But I like the fact that they provide you with one. So this one says 100% handmade, so they provide you actually with the actual mold itself and the base for it, so you're able to make and complete all these soaps. And then you'll still be able to make the ones in this recipe and more to come as well, because all you have to do is buy the soap base and then you can continue to make it. And so that's what you'll always get in your monthly box. You'll always get 4 essential oils, 6 recipe cards, stickers, and all the ingredients that you need to complete the recipes that have to do with the theme the theme of that month. Oh, and I forgot to share with you guys what essential oil did come in this month's September box, because every month is a different essential oil. So this one that is like actually the bigger one of all 4 of them is called Happy Joy. And the card says that this blend is made up of geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, ylang ylang essential oils. It helps ease stress and anxiety and promotes feelings of joy and happiness, which I definitely need this. You guys know I work at a school, so I definitely need this when it comes to being stressed and my anxiety. You guys know I get anxiety, so I'm going to be loving this one, and hopefully I can find some great recipes to use this in, and also my diffuser. So we have that one. We have one right here that's really small. And like I said, some essential oils, you get them smaller. And this one is the Bay Essential Oil. And this card said it can be used for gas relief, pain relief, decongestion, easing muscle spasms, reduce fever. This oil can cause breathing problems when with young children. So don't use it or diffuse it around young children. It's also best to avoid using this oil on damaged skin. So this can be useful mainly for adults, and I love how when they do tell you about each oil, they tell you about if you shouldn't have it around children or if it can irritate your skin. Last month's box, one of the oils did irritate my skin, and if I would have read this card, I would have known not to add it to my facial thing, which was the clove. It was a little bit too harsh for me, but they give you all in the cards. They give you everything about each oil. They give you the good and the bad. So they really do warn you and let you know what it's good for. So I can't wait to try this one, especially when it comes for the pain relief and decongestion, because like I said, I work at a school and I'm probably gonna get sick sometime soon. This one right here is called lemongrass, and this one is used for, it says it's used on acne and oily skin as a digestive aid to reduce fevers, to remove airborne odors, to relieve anxiety. Its aroma is similar to lemon essential oil, but with an herbal notes. I love using this for cleaning recipes. So they like to use this for the cleaning recipes. I do have this, one of my cleaning recipes that I have from the Mrs. Meyer's brand. It has the lemongrass. Oh no, it's from the other one. It's an all natural natural company cleaning product I have, and the scent is lemongrass, and I love this scent. So I'm glad that this scent, it can be used for a multiple of things, especially oily skin, because I love this scent. So that is one. And then the last one, which I don't know how to say, it is Ketchuput, but don't know how to say that one. It's a weird name. But it says it relieves congestion, minor pain, inflammation, muscle spasm, has a fresh fruity hibiscus aroma, and this oil can cause breathing problems with young children, so don't use it in the diffuser around young children. So basically this one and this one, these two that are on the right here, are not used, it's not good to be used around children, but it's good for adults. So I like how they let you guys know that. But that is the 4 essential oils that you get in the September issue box. So that is what came in my September issue box, and I can't wait to use these things and try them out and tell you guys about it. I will be keeping you guys posted on it, probably on Instagram, because it's easier to try these things and then upload it to my stories and let you guys know how I'm enjoying them, as opposed to trying the different products and waiting to make a video. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, go follow me on Instagram. It is my same name, Ria's World of Ideas, because I do share a lot of things on Instagram that I normally will not make a video for, because sometimes a lot of things are not, you know, enough to make a video for. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me already, and I will keep you guys posted on how I like the September issue products. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below, where I'll have the link to the website so that you can go try this box if you want it. And I also have my coupon code, so that if you do sign up with their subscription box, you'll get a free $40 gift card. So then you'll be paying for your first box, but then you can get a free box the next month, or you can use that $40 gift card for the other things that they have online as well. And they have so many different things on there. I'm really checking out their diffusers and a couple other things that they have on there that I have my eye on. So they have so many other different things if the subscription box is not your thing. Also, before I end this video, I want to talk about the DIYs that I have in the back. If you haven't checked out my latest DIY videos, I posted 2 of them, where I made these DIY fall signs with the Dollar Tree products. I love the way they came out, and a lot of you guys did too. And also with the little, let me find it, with the little thankful signs that are popular right now at Dollar Tree that everybody's trying to find. I took these little thankful signs and I made this tiered display tray, and I made this elevated display tray, and I also made this tiered tray as well, and a lot of you guys have been loving that too. So those are my 2 recent DIYs on my channel, so if you haven't checked that out, go check that out now, because I really love the way they came out, and a lot of you guys did too. But I really am enjoying this company. I love working with them. I will keep you updated again on the stuff that I have on here. And again, if you want to try Simply Earth, all the information will be down in the description box below, so that you guys can try it. And if you guys do try them and you like them, let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know on Instagram if you're loving them, if you've tried them, or if you have some essential oils that you guys really love, especially for this cold and flu season, which I need a lot of that because I work at a school with kids. Let me know your favorite recipes to fight these germs this flu season. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.